everyone. Welcome to the Warrior Trading Channel. In this video we are discussing about the huge one indicator, the moving average. Now go to the indicator and select the indicator, the moving average indicator, and use period in this video. 8. Go to the next section. In finance, a moving average, MA, is a stock indicator commonly used in technical analysis. The reason for calculating the moving average of a stock is to help smooth out the price data by creating a constantly updated average price. A moving average, MA, is a stock indicator commonly used in technical analysis. The moving average helps to level the price data over a specified period by creating a constantly updated average price. A simple moving average, SMA, is a calculation that takes the arithmetic mean of a given set of prices over a specific number of days in the past. By calculating the moving average, the impacts of random, short-term fluctuations on the price of a stock over a specified time frame are mitigated. Simple moving averages, SMAs, use a simple arithmetic average of prices over some time span, while exponential moving averages, EMAs, place greater weight on more recent prices than older ones over the time period. Life presents each of us with opportunities to alter our destinies. If you're looking to take control of your future, we are here to guide you in seizing those opportunities, starting with the easier, more accessible wins. On this channel, we delve into technical analysis, options trading including binary and forex trading psychology, and, most crucially, money management. We also explore many topics that you may not have encountered elsewhere. By subscribing to our channel, we assure you the potential for significant profits through our signals and strategies. boost your trading. Success with my expert signal service. I provide 5 to 10 daily trading signals to help you make profitable trades. Simply subscribe to my YouTube channel for market analysis and join my Telegram channel to receive real-time signals. Check my track record to see my successful trades. By following my signals, you can increase your profits and achieve financial goals. No experience needed, my expert guidance helps you trade with confidence. Thank you for watching. Must subscribe my YouTube channel and Telegrams for more videos and updates.